Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. I'm here at the Filter Queen shop today and I wanted to tell you about a special that they're having. You can get the vacuum and the Defender air cleaner. It's called the Filter Queen system. Usually runs around $3,600 for both pieces of equipment. It's on sale now for $3,100. You can save $500. So it's a really nice piece of equipment. It removes 99.9% of all the impurities in the air. That includes dirt, dust mites, bacteria, viruses, down to 0.1 micron, or 0.01 micron, sorry about that. So yeah, it's an excellent filtration system. If you have any kind of a breathing disorder, COPD, allergies, pets, odors in the home, this is the way to go. It removes odors, sanitizes, does all of those things for you. Here's a couple examples of what they have. This is the new limited edition. It comes in bronze. It's a beautiful machine, and you can get both in bronze or you can get both in the red. This is the standard red. This is a limited edition on the Filter Queen. This is the Majestic. This is the Defender. Like I say, the two together are a system. They also have prices for each one individually. Mention Mike's Garage when you call. You'll get the special price of $3,100. I can even tell you that you may get up to $500 trade-in value for your old vacuum when you trade it in. So we can even arrange for free shipping. So we got a really good deal. Call us up. Let's work out a deal for you. Like I said, they're on special right now. All you gotta do is give us a call, say you saw it on Mike's Garage, and they'll take care of you on that, okay? There's the 800 number right there. Give us a call. I also wanna mention the Your CBD store. They're a sponsor here. Give them a call, they do shipping. Check out the CBD, it's better than that marijuana for you, and helps you with some of your ailments, okay? Thanks for watching. Give us a call, answer your questions right here. Bye now.